How to view your contacts on Snapchat. Hello guys, today I will show you how to view your contacts on Snapchat. Just watch the video until the end and make sure that you subscribe and you like the video. So let's start. You go first and you open your Snap. After this, when your Snap is open, you will just go here on your profile icon. Then you will click. After this, you will go here on settings and click again, and then guys you will just go down to contact syncing, then you will click, and then you will find here the second option, view contacts. You will click on it, then here you will find all your contacts and view all your contacts on Snapchat. And that's it guys, I hope this video is useful for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe in our channel. See you next